George has just gone into the shop to get some fishing bait. He forgot to bring these. Oh, it's going to be bloody hot today. Bloody hot. We're at, what time is it? It's 9:21. It's Wednesday. Was it? Wednesday. 20. Something. I can't read it. I haven't got my glasses on.
Supply them with yabbies. My grandkids used to supply them with yabbies, fishing yabbies.
Yeah.
And she said, I still got a container of yours. That's what she just gave me. Thanks, mate. Okay. We're going to get a red light. Hey. I got a bomb. I got used to it.
It's a liquor shop, that place.
Oh, is it? Yep. Premix liquor, yep.
That bloke's still there.
That's what I was thinking, exactly the same, right? I thought, I wonder if that bloke's still around there. What's that? Lizard?
What's
Big
that?
goanna. Goanna.
Big lizard. Gone. That's it. I don't see him.
Oh, no.
There he is.
He's still there.
Still over there. there, you know.
Yep. That one good.
Hey,
That one here, it's good.
yeah, it's real good. I came here because it's very shady.
Yes, yes, it's good.
Fuck, you go in the shade.
Yeah, good thinking, right under there.
I can hear it, BENARCA. I was at 9:42.
That one.
I just want something light.
Yep, yep.
Like these.
Grab that grain, good. This will do. Yep, righto.
Back down the steps. Oh, fucking. That's good. Really good. I wonder if there's any dead carps on the river bank. Don't see any. The flies, eh? The flies.
Yeah, one of them only. Annoying me.
As soon as you get out of the car, you can feel the heat. Feel the bloody heat hit you. Right, 9:50. Nearly time for beer. I'm still using sausages for bait today because I couldn't get to the bait shop. I haven't got enough money to buy worms, so I have to go use my sausages. I don't know what George is doing up there. This will be my first cast. I hope I catch a fish here today because I haven't caught one here yet. Other people have, but I haven't. Oh. I got a gust of wind then. That would have stopped me from casting out further.
How much are they?
$13.
That's all right.
Yeah, they're good worms too. They're the best worms I've seen.
They scrubbers?
No, not scrubbers. No,
Oh.
no, he didn't have any scrubbies.
$10
$10. I just saw it. Yep.
Yeah, o'clock.
Fucking jet ski, motherfucker. We don't want you around here. Fucking bastards. It's gonna be really hot today. 41 degrees. It's only what, 24 degrees in Melbourne. So they're pretty lucky. It's 14 minutes past 10 and the rods are very, very quiet. I'm gonna have to put that wet towel on my head soon, although George over here, he's getting some bites now. He's getting some bites. Still getting bites on his wood. I'm getting nothing. No bites on mine. Did you get him?
No, I think he got me.
It's 10:48. Still sitting there. I'm still sitting there waiting for a bite. We haven't had a bite for a while. Well, George hasn't had a bite for a while. I might as well check my rod now. Ow, fuck. Right, my bait's gone.
Ah, took your bait. Yep.
Took my sausage. Oh yes, it's a bloody hot dog. Hot dog. Bloody greasy old bloody hot dog. Yeah. Here like that. I think I just lost it.
Ah, yep.
Just lost my hot dog. I put a sausage on there. More sausage. I wish I had those worms. Those scrubbers. They're so bloody soft. I don't want to throw out too far because I might lose my bait. Oh. It's so hot, I'm actually sweating in my chair. You getting a bite? You what? What are they? 11:17.
Lost him. Lost him. Had him, I lost him.
Yeah. We got a car over here. Is that fish? Yeah, but what? What is it?
Ready.
I'd better get this camera right here.
Yep.
It's 11:24. Yellow belly.
Yellow belly, yep.
Put him back in. Don't put him on the ground. I got the pliers. Oh my God! I got your hook.
Thank you. All done. That was good. Oh, what's
Yeah.
wrong, mate? They were dying on us. Come on.
No, I'm not gonna die.
There it goes. Yeah.
Oh my God!
Yep.
Oh my God! That was a good catch. Good catch by George. Oh, that felt good, that water.
Oh, it was nice and cool. Yeah.
It was beautiful. Beautiful. What's this car doing up here? Eh? You watching me? Is this guy watching me up here? Oh. I just cut myself. What are you doing? What's this guy doing? What's this guy doing? I need first aid. I need first aid. Where's my glasses? I can't see shit without my glasses. This came over with haywire. I turned it on. The button, the power button on it is buggered. Just about buggered. I got a band-aid on there, on my thumb. I cut it somehow. Cut it on that hook, I suppose.
My bait's gone.
Gone. Okay, you're getting bites.
Hey?
You're getting bites.
Yeah, it must be.
Yep. Your bell's going off.
Hey?
Your bell was going off then.
Yeah, something was having a go at this.
Had a bite.
Yeah, a little one, I suppose.
Yeah, I just heard it go ding ding. Only one.
Could have been the wind.
Yeah.
I just dropped my sandwich on the fucking floor here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it still eatable or? I don't know. Is it still eatable? I don't think it's still eatable, is it? Was it 2 minutes past 12? I'm not going to eat that. I think I'll chuck that. I'll chuck that one to the birds. Oh, I just dropped another sandwich. I dropped my other sandwich here. This is unbelievable. Don't drop those sandwiches. I think this one's alright. Yeah, I'll eat this one. I was just I was just gonna say that I've been eating sandwiches like this every day in a heat wave. Jesus Christ. Oh. Mm-hmm. It's a healthy sandwich. Oh, healthy sandwiches. It's bloody hard. They got slow, aren't they?
And they do
Bloody
brake on that.
hell.
Yeah, you go around the corner.